Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2005 Expedition that the customer called and said they were having some trouble. The vehicle overheating and it seemed to be losing coolant, but they weren't quite sure where it was going or what was going on. So we said, sure, bring it in. We'll take a look at it for you. Once we got the vehicle in and filled it up with coolant, got it running, we noticed an excessive amount of air bubbles in the coolant reservoir. As you can see here from the video, when the vehicle's running, it looks like there's like a pressure washer or something inside of there. That's a very good indication that you have a massive head gasket problem, which is exactly what the problem was on this particular vehicle, which was why it was losing coolant and why it was constantly overheating. We talked to the customer based on the miles on the vehicle. We recommended that they replace the engine instead of just doing the head gaskets, as there could be some more internal damage that we're not aware of until we get it apart. They said, yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So we got a remanufactured engine for them, which comes with a 3-year, 100,000-mile warranty and 3 years on the labor. That is a thing that we do offer here at 3D Auto Repair with all of our repairs is 3-year, 36,000 miles on the labor and whatever the manufacturer's part warranty is. So you can always feel free knowing a repair at 3D Auto Repair has a warranty to go with it all across the country. So if you have a vehicle that's running rough or losing coolant or you're not quite sure what's going on with it, we do offer free estimates for those types of things. So please feel free to give us a call and set up an appointment. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share this video so other people can get this information.